Hi everyone, I am Mansi from IELTS Manzil. Today, I want to talk about why AI tools like ChatGPT might not be the best resource for preparing your ISLPR test, especially when it comes to speaking and writing. So, here's the thing, ISLPR is a personalized test. It is designed around your profession, your background, and your specific needs, which AI doesn't know. As AI doesn't have that specific information, so what it does, it basically gives generic answers from the internet which are often too broad to help you improve meaningfully. And unlike other English tests, ISLPR isn't one size fits all. What works for one person, like a kindergarten teacher, might not work for a high school science teacher. The vocabulary, the context, and expectations are completely different. So, when you rely on AI tools, it often pulls out IELTS or PT style tips. But ISLPR works differently. This can actually lead you down the wrong path. That is why at IELTS Manzil, we offer personalized ISLPR online lessons with real experienced trainers that understand the test inside out. No guesses, no generic advice. Just the exact guidance that you need to get your target score.